Here we are back at Katzkin SEMA booth, and this is Larry Weiner from Mr. Norms. This is his 2018 SEMA project here in the Katzkin's booth. It's got Air Design's brand new kit on it. Can you explain what this project is about and why you chose Air Design?
Sure, Billy, thanks so much for having us today. It's a pleasure to work with you and Air Design. And you know, this is a brand new 2018 Ram 1500 4x4. And the theme of this truck is hunting, fishing, off-road, lifestyle enthusiasts. And what we did was we looked at who made the best body kit, the most dramatic, the best fit, the best integrated to fit this Ram. And there was no question our partner was going to be Air Design. The fit, the finish, the quality, the attention to detail surpasses anything in the industry. And it was a wonderful complement to the graphics package that was provided by Realtree, excuse me, to go along with that active lifestyle component. And so that was the reason and the rationale for the design and the build of this vehicle. And as we'll do a walk around, you'll see how all the products and the parts complement the appearance and theme of this vehicle.
And this is Air Design's brand new 2018 Ram kit. I really like what you've done with this kit, Larry. Can you explain the theme of the graphics and why you did it black and the color codes?
Sure, Billy, I'd be happy to. You know, when we lay out and we design a vehicle, it's all about integration and consistency and theme. Everything has to match. It has to look like it's all of a piece. You don't want anything to look like you just peeled and sticked and pasted, put a bunch of doodads on a vehicle. So it has to look like it was organic. In the case of this vehicle, the Air Design kit made it easy because it was designed specifically for this vehicle. It's not generic, it's not pantyhose. It's specific, it's purpose. And so all the lines complement the lines of the Ram that Dodge intended. And then the things like this fender vent. This is not just an applique that sits on top. It is completely integrated into the fender. And we tried to take advantage and leverage that design cue. So when we put the graphic on there, the Realtree graphic, we actually pulled it right behind it. And I know it's hard to see on the camera, but we actually pulled it right into the fender vent detail. So it was finished. It wasn't just we stopped it at the door cut line at the A-pillar and stopped short. We took the extra effort to run it into it. That complements the fender vent. It makes the applique look like it's all part of the vehicle. It was by design, not by accident.
All right, thanks, Larry. That covers the exterior. Now we're going to bring on Bill North to talk about Katzkin and what they did on the interior.
Sounds good, Bill. Thank you.
We just finished up on the exterior. This is Bill North from Katzkin. How you doing, Bill?
Great, Billy. Great to see you.
Same name as mine. It's always good. He's going to explain everything about the interior of Katzkin truck here.
Thank you so much. What we're trying to do here is bring the great outdoors, if you will, into the inside and incorporate a high-grade leather interior with Realtree branded leather. So what we've got on the inside of this truck is our extra pattern, which is a hardwood themed leather vinyl combination. So this is a whitetail, this is a deer crowd. What you can see is we did with a wing pattern. So at Katzkin, we can do a little bit more or a little bit less camouflage when it comes to it. And in this case, we chose kind of a middle subtlety with camouflage in the wing area, officially licensed Realtree, and black Katzkin perforated leather. I know there's a whole other big old world out there of folks that are into the ducks. So we also have the officially licensed Realtree, what's called Max 5. So Max 5 is a marsh, wetland, deer-inspired, duck-inspired. So this would be an example of what we would do with the. So this is your wetland.
Now how is that printed on there?
It's printed on a UV stable vinyl. So at Katzkin we use a lot of leather. We use some vinyl. For color fastness and a full warranty, we actually screen print the officially licensed Realtree on a very high-grade automotive vinyl and combine it with high-grade natural cowhide.
Oh, I really like the way you color-coded all the thread to match the theme of the Realtree vinyl.
For sure, and you know, we're so flexible with if we want to bring in a certain paint color, we want to tie in an interior color. This is a Bristol matching General Motors stitch. This is a gray matching Ram stitch. So we're really flexible on the two different main types of camouflage, any color Katzkin leather, to really cater to that enthusiast market so we can bring the outdoors into the truck and capture on just a massive demographic for folks that really want a nice hunting truck.
You know, one thing, Bill, of all the cars who've been involved at SEMA, I think this Katzkin is probably the most themed truck that I've seen.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate you guys allowing Air Design to be part of this
For
stuff.
sure.
And,
Yeah.
wraps up another great day here. Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it, Billy. Love your truck. Thanks again.
Thanks.